today's quick tip. Today we'll show you how to create mailing labels or export information out of Realist and into an Excel spreadsheet to use for your mailings. We're going to start with the tax icon in Paragon and select Realist. You can do it from the quick search, but preferably from the My Search to pull more information. As you'll see, I already have a class test that I've saved in here before. And all I simply need to do is run my search. And here we are. This is my polygon that I had selected previously. This is my farming area. This is my neighborhood. I could also have chosen to do subdivisions. So as I scroll down on the left, but there are several variations of the Highlands in here. There's phase 1, 2, 3, and 4. So instead of selecting those phases, I simply selected a map around the area. Now I have the option to print, email a report to myself or to a colleague. I can also make labels from here, or I can simply export. Now remember, this is a newer website, so you might want to check your pop-up blocker. So I've selected export. I'm going to do the custom export today. As you'll see, it comes up to all categories, but if I'm going to mail out owner information or to the owners, I'll select the owner category and select all the fields that I want. For today, I will select every single field. And simply select export on the bottom right. You'll see here are all of my selected fields. I can scroll up and down to see what's there and delete anything that I want, and export. You will notice the download go. You'll see a little icon go up to your upper right or to your bottom left for noticing that there is an export. So I'm using Safari. They always go up here for me. I can simply double click on the exported file. This is where it opened up into my Excel spreadsheet. So if you need to send this to your postcard printer or your mail house, this is the format that you can use. Also, if you would like to create labels on your own, it's the same steps. Click labels on the bottom. There are 3 different types up here. Avery 5160 is the standard. You want to use mixed case or all caps? Do you want to use the tax billing address or the property address? So in other words, do you want to get to the homeowner or the occupant? And I have already set up in my settings that I did not want to include anybody on the do not mail list. And you'll find those options here in the settings icon in your upper right hand corner. Show current owner, create custom label, and simply click create on the bottom right. And again, it will go to a download, and here is the format that has come up. So you'll see all of these. It's been stretched on mine for a full display. And that is how you create a mailing label or export to Excel. Thank you for watching today's quick tip.